welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm La Diva Deluxe Lada, or the chick Elaina Glam that's here on Mondays and Wednesdays. But today is Friday, that means Friday's a drag. And we're doing this look for filming with Rock'em Sakura. I'm filming with Rock'em Sakura like in 1 hour, so I need to go. So if you guys are interested to see how I did this, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of all the new stuff I upload. I upload 3 times a week and also go live almost every Monday. So follow, like, subscribe, comment, and follow me on social media. All the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. So let's get right into this. Okay, I'm starting with 2 Queens and 1 Desert by Kim G. I'm starting with black, just to sketch out my shape. Yes, I did the eyes first because I didn't want to chance it to have my face look too crusty, because I was going to be filming this Rock'em Sakura for hours. I don't even want to look bad. So I'm doing the voiceover because I didn't want to take too much time talking, and the time was of an essence, so there you go. So this is Kimchi Chic Beauty Mango Tango, and we're using this beautiful bright pink. Look at the pigmentation. Girl, it's pink. So I used my classic combination of my favorite bright tones. Blue, pink, purple, green, all the basic colors. That's bright. Now I'm going to the lighter shades just to blend this out. And all the way to the eyebrow. The eyebrows already done with powders, just to sketch them. We're using the blues next from Mango Tango and 2 Queens and 1 Desert. And we're going to the purple just to blend this all together, the blue and the pink. Everything blends out nicely. I'm going to green. I decided to add some green and a low lash line. That's why when I was doing Rock'em Sakura makeup, I wanted to do hers makeup in similar tones as mine. Cut the crease and set my eyelid with the white. I'm not sure what white I was using, and I don't think I showed you, and I don't remember which one it was. So this is Beauty Creations white gel liner to put in my waterline and to create a big eye, the big drag eye, and I set it with white powder afterwards too. I'm using a high-end foundation after this. I don't know why I decided to use high-end foundation, but there we have it. Charlotte Tilbury. I want to use a look extra fresh. And using Kimchi Chic Concealer the most in white, of course, because that's a must. That's a must for every drag look. It really comes out bright, pigmented, very opaque. And my Wet n Wild, the beat up contour stick. So that gives me a nice contour. I love it, I hate it when Wild works. I love it. See, it's still got pigmentation. Almost used it up, blended. And the nose contour to really snatch the nose with a small brush. We're doing this very, very tight look. I like to snatch up my nose contour with a cream first and blend it with the fingers, because it really gives you better precision and doesn't blend the contour away everywhere. Set it with my favorite new powder, Kimchi Chic Beauty Puff Puff Pass powder, and make it real nice and smooth. Using the Revolution Pro contour palette and my card, I cannot live without. We're making a real snatched face, and of course a very tight snatched nose. So now I'm using NYX Lift and Snatch brow pen, and we're drawing the hairs to give eyebrows better definition. I use powder first, and now we add in the hair strokes. And in the highlight, Kimchi Chic Beauty, of course. And this is Blinding. This is Pearls Gone Wild in 01 Hope. Look at the shine. It's just insane. So this is what we got right now. I did it off camera. I mean, I did it without any sound. I'm gonna do voiceover because I'm kind of in the rush. You know what happens when you're so excited about something and you think I've got all the time I need, and then it's like rush and I still need to put the nails on. So I'll be back with a full look. So this is a finished look. I did do a lot of it off camera because I was in a rush. I literally need to leave in like 15 minutes, so I need to wrap it up and go. I'm excited, I'm a little nervous, but I'm ready. I got the nails on, press-ons, and I got the earrings on, I got jewels on. I did some graphic liners from Profusion and NYX to add to the makeup, and of course gems. I didn't show you my mouth. I just used some pale lipstick from Shein, and of course I overlined the house down boots because of what? Sickening. Yeah, and I did my boobies, although my top keeps lighting up and it's not gonna be visible, but yeah, I got the boobs. So I gotta go and finish this up, so let me know what you think. So this is my drag look for Rock on Sakura tutorial videos, whatever that's gonna be. I'm not sure what we're filming, we're gonna see. So I'm so excited, oh my god. So leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, and I also go live almost every Monday. So follow me on social media, all the links are down below, as well as my Patreon group. So huge thank you to all my patrons. Thank you so much for being here for me and supporting me. So I love you guys, and I gotta go. Thank you for watching. Bye!